Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that way you stay notified of when I upload. Today's video is going to be a product review, something that I've never tried, but it is similar to the Vamp Stamp Eyeliner Wing Tool. It came out maybe like last year or a year and a half ago. It was like everywhere and it blew up. Since then, a lot of companies have been trying to dupe this Vamp Stamp. Kiss came out with this new tool called the Beautiful Cat Eye. It says it creates a fast and flawless eye look. So you have the stamp on one end, felt tip liner on the other. This is a stamp tip. You can't really see it, but you'll see it a lot closer once I zoom in. I found it at H-E-B, which is, it's like Walmart. It retails for $7.99. I'll link it down below if you want to try it. Like, it's super affordable. Let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys like the packaging of it. It's called the Kiss Beautiful Cat Eye. Create a fast and flawless cat eye look. It said new, so I grabbed it, and look, she has her little wing there. One side is a stamp, this other side is the marker felt tip, so you stamp on and then fill in the rest of your eye, you know, to connect it together. I'm reading this off kissusa.com. Create an iconic cat eye look with this Kiss Beautiful Eyes cat eye stamp in style. Dual-sided liner. Stamp tip end for stamping on the perfect cat eye. Felt tip end for filling in cat eye and extending liner along the lash line. Contact lens friendly and cruelty free. Prep the area with primer and or foundation. Hold the stamp over your outer corner of your eye. Align placement and press stamp down firmly to create cat eye shape. Connect cat eye shape to the inner corner of your eye by lining with the felt tip liner side of the pen. Apply mascara and kiss false lashes to complete your instant cat eye look. I'm not a huge fan of felt tip pens. I can't work with them, so I prefer like the brush tips. You have the styling tip on this side, and then you have the stamp side over here. I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches, and it's black. I don't know if it's matte, it doesn't say. Oh dang, that's literally like a marker. Look at how big that tip is. This is just like a standard eyeliner. Look at that. Holy moly. Wow. Okay, okay. It looks like it's matte. Like, kind of reminds me of the Kat Von D. It's like this, like semi-matte kind of look. So that is what the stamp tip looks like. It says press firmly, so we're going to press firmly. Huh. Okay, I think I can work with that. There it is again. It's not as opaque. We'll work with it. I think on one eye, I want to stamp it and then connect it. I think I'm going to have to do that because I thought about like lining my eye and then doing the stamp, but that could probably be a hot mess as well. I'm going to spray my hand. It doesn't say it's waterproof. Yeah, it's coming off obviously. This guy. It's not waterproof, although the stamp part did kind of stay on a little bit more when I rubbed it. It kind of just rubbed away too, versus the marker side. Alright, so let's go ahead and go in with the stamp tip. I'm going to try to zoom you guys in more, you know, so we could see this. So let's go on in with the stamp side. Let's see if we can try to fix it. We're going to use it as like a guide, I guess. It said to use like the marker end to make it sharper if you needed to. Okay, I'm totally messing that up. Oh, this is why I hate felt tip liners. Like, I can't work with them fast enough before they start drying. You can always fix it with concealer. So there is that one. We shall see on the other side. Always takes practice. There is that wing. Not bad. I just do have a problem with the marker part. That's just on me because I can't work with felt tip liners. Hopefully we can get them even. Look at that. We're gonna fix this because that's what we do. We gotta learn from our mistakes. It's not totally gone, but for the sake of the video, we're just gonna ignore that. It doesn't even want to stamp anymore. Oh my gosh, look. I had to like get it going. I literally had to rub it like this. Okay, you know what? We're gonna try to fix it from here. It's so hard for me to talk and do eyeliner at the same time. Still not even. Oh my goodness, why are you doing this to me? They are very, very uneven. My goodness. Yuck. I mean, it doesn't look totally bad, right? Like, I think this makeup is pretty passable. You know what I'm saying? Let me add some mascara, gather my thoughts, and then I'll be right back with my verdict. So first of all, this was only my first time using this. So as much as I want to, you know, not like it very much right now, I'm willing to give it another try. I did notice while playing with this more how I was talking about how the stamp was drying out. So I was just doing this motion because the pointy part of this right here, it wouldn't stamp on. You have the thicker part and then it would just like not even stamp the point. I was going from the fat part and just trying to give that tip a little bit of ink so then I can go back and stamp it a little better. So here's that first stamp where it's kind of dried out at the tip, and then there's this one right here that is more tip to it, but where I dragged it. So make sure that you're dragging back towards like the thicker part to get some of that ink flowing and going to the tip of this little guy right here. Also, I feel like the wing part should have been longer and maybe thicker for how thick this giant marker is. Like this thing is huge, and I was also struggling with it as well, trying to do strokes. It just didn't work for me, so I'm still going to try to work with it. It says it has 0.05 ounces. I wonder if it's just like one giant, you know, like if you've ever opened a marker and it has that like spongy where the ink is. I wonder if it's just one giant one that's connected to like both of these ends right here, which I don't know because the ink on the stamp side is different. It could just be me, but it just skipped so much like going over that stamp, and whenever I was doing the water test, the felt tip side smeared, whereas the stamp side kind of just crumbled away. So I don't know how, and I don't want to like ruin it and open it and find out what it looks like on the inside. Just gonna leave it at that. The packaging is nice. Reminds me of those NYX jumbo pencils, so you could stick this in your purse. I see what they're trying to do with this product and making it handy, but I was struggling to make it work. So I'm like, how is someone who's barely beginning in makeup supposed to make it work? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Lets me know that you enjoy these types of reviews. Please subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.